Alright, so this is going to be the final update for the weekly Game Jam 135. I wasn't able to get the game done in time to submit it to that Game Jam, so now it's just going to be something that I work on independently of any Game Jam, because it won't qualify to enter into anything else because I've already started it. I'll show you what I have so far. So I changed the scale a little bit. We have the player here in the middle of their collection area. I believe these walls were added since the last update, so you have boundaries to the playing field. What I'd like to do too is when the player gets close to the walls, instead of zooming, instead of allowing the camera to go past that, I want the walls to stay at the edge of the screen and the player just to move. So kind of put a clamp on the camera's movement. I added this leaderboard, so we have the player's rank, there's the player name, and the score. And this name is generated from a random list of funny names I got off of the internet in a library called Faker, I found on GitHub. And yeah, and it also keeps track of the player's score. I'm trying to push this resource down over there so you can see. All right, so it went up by 1 point. So that's where the game is at now. So there's a lot to do on this before it's a completed game. I have to get the movement to work with the player's mouse cursor and touching the device instead of just the keyboard. I'm probably going to remove keyboard input. That was always meant to be just temporary until I figured out how to get input from other sources. It's not really as much gathering the input, but actually moving the player in a way that's easy to control. As it is, using the keyboard is pretty difficult. So yeah, I experimented around a little bit with it, and I wasn't having a whole lot of success, so I just took that code out and put back the keyboard input for now so I could put that on the back burner and work on something else. So, alright, I'm going to give up on that. I don't need this. Alright, so that's it for this update. You can stay tuned. I will be working on this game more in the future, but that's all I have for now. Thank you.